Actions. In the world we live in, our actions matter much more than what we say or how we say it. Our actions map out our entire lives because one little mistake can change the course of your life forever. In building wealth, your actions, your day-to-day movement, your day-to-day living, the way you project yourself builds character. It builds wealth. And that is why you have a lot of people that are rich but lose those wealth after a couple of years because they have no action.
Every time I got around my billionaire buddies, I was more like, it's cool to come over your house, but I need a house like this.
Yeah.
It's cool to ride on your yacht, but I need a yacht like this. It's cool to ride on your jet, but I want a jet like this. And I said, no, I don't want to ride on yours. You show me how to get it. You can't be my friend if you can't show me how to get it. Because once they show me how to get it, then I can install it in my children. Then it trickles down.
It's a bloodline thing.
Yes. So it's about wealth. You know, I'm no longer rich, I'm wealthy.
Every action we take comes from a burning desire to be successful. Every action we take plans and maps out how our days turns out to be. Every action we take makes us either winners in the long term or financial losers. So what have your actions done for you today? And what are the reasons behind those actions? You have to understand that wealth is not just there. Wealth is a mental thing. If you're not rich mentally, no matter how much money is in your bank account, you are not rich. You will continue to spend and behave like a pauper if you do not find a way to make it work. But how do you make it work? How do you make your actions, your plans turn into fruition? How do you make your plans turn into reality? How do you make that $1 million idea you have go from an idea to something that the whole world can stand and listen? Kill them with kindness. You give the people everything they want in a product and then market it for free. You give the people everything they want in a service and tell them that it is available for them at such a discount that it is stupid for them not to collect that opportunity from you. Show them the importance of your service. Show them the usefulness of your service. Make it a normal part of their day-to-day activities. Look at all the beautiful companies in the world, the $1 trillion companies, the Amazons, the Facebook, the Googles. You cannot go a day without searching a word on Google. You can't go a day without checking Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram. Amazon is your first option whenever you want to buy something online. Show the customer that without your service, yes, they can do business. Yes, they can do whatever they want to do. But with your service, it makes it a lot easier, a lot more efficient. Efficiency is the most important thing in making a product. Make it so efficient that the market cannot refuse it. And then you continue to implement changes. Not changes that would hurt them. Changes that would make their life even better. Introduce new strategies for them to continue using your app, your product, your service. Make it as easy as possible for them to use so they become addicted to it and cannot live a life without it. Look at Facebook. Who remembers living a life when there was no Facebook? Look at Instagram. Instagram is part of our day-to-day activity to the point that we spend more time on social media, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, than we even spend with our families face-to-face daily. Make it so useful that there is no other option. And always remember, because this is the most important thing, the customer's experience always comes first. It is more important than your product design. It is more important than your marketing skills. It is more important than advertising. It is more important than anything else. The customer comes first, And so you have to treat them as such. Treat them like kings, because no one wants to leave his palace. Everybody wants to stay king. So give them the feeling of them being in charge. Give them the feeling of them being completely in control. And they would always be there, giving you all the support you need to continue growing your business. Remember, customer is king. So you should always make them king. So if money, wealth, fame, and all these pleasures are all you look for in life, if that is all you ever dreamt of, the easiest way to get it, without doing anything illegal, anything unethical, is to do this. Follow these simple steps, simple, easy methods, foolproof, because they have always worked from generation to generation, and you would always be king. Thank you for today. Thank you for listening to what I have to say. Please like, share, and subscribe, and enjoy the rest of your day, counting all them new millions you've made listening to me talk today. Make sure you follow the steps above, because they are foolproof to make you a financial gold mine, if and only if you are able to follow them. Have a great day.